The tabek and dance and gongs is important to us, especially we are belong to the Tingyan tribe because it is our traditional culture and it's hold significant cultural and social importance of the community. The preservation of the tradition and community bonding, the tribal dance is performed by various indigenous groups in the northern Philippines including the Ilocano and the Cordillera region. It is a vibrant expression culture heritage often performed during festivals, rituals, and celebration of the wedding, and it is the rich cultural heritage of us. The importance